OCM wiyé.nox here from Kwantlen First Nation. Kwantlen is located on an island in Fort Langley, and we live alongside the streamline of the Fraser River. Here today to talk about bringing tradition home, here with Auntie Cheryl, Gabriel. Give a nice little wave. Here with Tsakwiah, Josette Dandurand, another Kwantlen elder, and another Kwantlen elder, Lekeyten. I'll pass it over to Auntie Cheryl.
Hi everyone. I've been asked to by Gary Robinson, our co-coordinator for the Bringing Tradition Home parenting program, and we didn't get to do the honoring ceremony for the parents on the last day because of COVID. Came into our lives like a wave, and I was really honored that Gary wrote me via email and asked if Josette and Lekeyten and I could do a video to describe or just to let people know the meaning of an honoring ceremony, and also the honor of having the time we had with the parents. And we miss you all very much, and we're sorry that it didn't happen, but nevertheless you're still going to get your honoring, and I know Gary's delivering gifts to all of you. I want you to know that Josette and I, we love the parenting program, and my husband Lekeyten is Josette's brother, and we're honored that this video is going to happen, because to me, I feel we don't do that enough. Things need to be captured historically, and that we are trying our very best to go towards tradition and what it meant, because our people for many years have learned not to feel good about themselves, and during this program we learned a lot in the 8 to 9 weeks, depending on when we start and when we end. Josette and I have learned a lot through this. This is our 8th time with the parenting program, and the Bringing Tradition Home came from the BC Aboriginal Child Care Society, and it was a group of them that developed an 8 to 9 week program that encapsulated the 7 sacred teachings, and also they added one for celebration, and that's what we are doing with you in a little informal way, but a very genuine and loving way from our family to you. And on the Soch, our sacred land, we're lucky to be able to do that at Josette and Luke's home. As you see behind us, Luke's going to be in the 3rd house back there pretty soon, and then our 2 daughters are going to be living beside Luke and Josette, and we're like so excited. Josette's going to have a lot of fun with our families. Okay, I'm just going to let Josette introduce herself, and then Lekeyten, and then I'll explain the blanketing ceremony after that. So, hand it over to my sister.
Hello everybody, my name is Josette Tsakwiah. It's an honor to be invited to participate with you today. Thank you very much. It's my son, Luke, holding the camera. And I've learned so much, especially from my brother and sister-in-law. They've taught me so much about being Aboriginal, which was taken away from me in residential school. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Thank you. Thank you. My dear ones, my name is Lekeyten. My father from Cheryl put that name on me in 1993. The name is derived from his great-great-great-grand uncle in Stahelis and Skookumchuck. My dad, his mom is from Cultus Lake, and his dad is from Skookumchuck. And they met up at the hop yards and hooked up and started the Leon family as well. My brothers have a lot of names from my dad that came from his brothers from Skookumchuck, because that's where a lot of Chehalis people came from, the entire nation. Half of my life was spent on Chehalis territory, and the other half came as time went. We had to move home because of the way Indian Act was written. My mom registered us in Kwantlen, so we had to come home to Kwantlen, but at the same time I got to live two different lives altogether, learn different ways, understand different ways, and learn to pray in our Holmach way after I moved home. There's a whole history of teachings of moving home, bringing tradition home. It always reminds me of when I had to come home. The way of life was so hurtful. It was something that I could not really endure as truth started coming out of Canada, the government that put us on this McMillan Island. We have thrived many strong lessons in our lives where we had to truly understand and forgive just to have our health and happiness. But the name I cherish, the teachings I cherish, and the work that Cheryl and my sister have been doing with bringing tradition home has been the sole existence of many families that have been coming out and going, moving, new families coming. Gary Robinson and all the workers from day one until the day that they all graduate. It's such a joy to see the traditions come alive, go through someone's life as what we look at as diversity in culture. All the workers who have been involved with bringing tradition home, you have been the sole vital artery to the main heart in a body that will never disappear. In fact, it will do quite the opposite. It will come again and reborn and be reborn and be reborn, because that's how traditions work. You bring them home, you teach them, and then you watch that seed come out of the ground and grow into a beautiful big tree of life. I'm so proud of the workers, and I'm so proud of those who have taken the time to say, I need this. My family needs this. They're the ones that truly do the work. The moms and dads, aunties and uncles, and even those who look after foster children. They have that special gift of life to share. It keeps coming out and coming out. I just wish that in our short time together that you share things for the rest of your life. When you're learning stuff, don't keep them for too long. Pass them on. Tell that person